So I was just driving around on my way to something else, and I found this old Yugoslavian star monument that had fallen over. And apparently a bag of some sort of shells. So this building that I'm about to show you, it's pretty common for some of these rural parts of Croatia, and you could really tell that some bad stuff happened here. This was probably an amazing house at one point. This is probably somebody's absolute dream. But then when the war came around, bad things happened. It's really very sad because this country is amazing. Everyone that we've met so far has been super friendly, absolutely wonderful to us. And when you consider that in 1995, a proper war was going on, and with all the destruction, all the damage, everything else, these people are still kind. They still have a sense of humanity and friendliness, and I could see after living through something like this that would probably be pretty easy to lose. So I'm definitely impressed, and it's quite sad, to be honest. So yeah, it's the way the world is.